So these are the top 3 apps for instant editing pictures, and I hope you guys are doing good. Welcome back to Mumbai Travel. So today we are going to be seeing the 3 top editing apps which can use in your daily life, and it is very easy to use and it's going to give you a great result as well. If you're new, please do not forget to follow me on Instagram, and let's get started. First is Photo Animator. This is a new concept where you can make your photo look videographic, and it gives a look where the drink is falling. Select on the motion and create small arrows downwards, then stabilize it using dots where you don't want the drinks or the glass to move, and you can check it by pressing on the arrow button upstairs, and you can check, you can make it slow, you can make it fast as per your convenience. You can also use mask over here if you don't want to put small dots and take it long, as mask is used when the cover is very huge. If you have a huge glass and you don't want, I'm erasing it right now because I've already used dots, and you can do it over there, which is at the down bottom right. So this is how you can check it later on. If you have done it, you can do it for other things as well. I've done it for the smoke and the light over here. And if you're new, please do not forget to like this video and subscribe to Mumbai Travel. Also, do not forget to press the bell icon so next time we are online you get a notification. Second is PicsArt. It is one of a great app if you want to do many changes, and it is very professional too. So you can change the color perspective using 3 colors over here. You can change the background and change the colors over there. Go to the tool section, you will find the 3 color changing options there. Go to the tools, then you can adjust the color brightness, you can change the saturation, contrast over here, which is there in all the apps. You can also blur and focus on a particular section of the picture, and also there is perspective options, and you can do the mirror image of the particular picture if you want to do so. Click on the perspective if you want to enlarge a particular part and you just want to focus on that. Here I want to focus on the drink only, so I'm just vertically changing the perspective. You can do it horizontally as well and vertical as well. So this is how you guys make the changes over here. So next we have the effect. There you can see the color replace. You can just click on the part where you want to change the color. So you can see from the red ring it has turned to blue, and I just don't want it now, so I will be just getting it back to the red one. Then you also have stickers over here. If you want to add some stickers, you want to add photos, you can add photos also over here. I've added a sticker over here, and you can just erase the extra part which you don't want to show. Just erase it clearly so that it looks perfect and it looks as if it is coming from the glass only. You also have an option of adding pictures. Just add a particular picture you wanted. I just want the section of the clouds to be seen, so I'll be cropping it out. You can do so over here and just crop the picture, enlarge it and cover the whole picture and decrease the opacity and erase out the extra part which you see. I am erasing out the drink area, the glass, the top and the bottom of the glass. You can also erase the short glass if you want so. So next, coming to the background and the borders, you can change the background, you can add colors, you can add different pictures, you can also decrease the ratio if you want. So you can give a shadow effect to the edges, you can blur it, you can change the opacity as well. Here I'm giving a border also to the picture. You can change the outer and the inner, and you can also change the edges by decreasing or increasing the radius, and it is for both outside and inside of the picture. There's an option of shape mask where you can add different shapes to your pictures and give it a different look. I have selected heart over here. You can use different colors for that as well. Select different backgrounds as per different patterns or different colors. It is totally up to you. Can use and play with different shapes over here. So the third one is the Snapseed, which is used by everyone. Just go to the tune image and brightness, increase it or decrease it as per your need. And if you want to do a black and white, just decrease the saturation to -100. You will see a beautiful image where you can just highlight the particular portion of the picture. I will highlight only the drink over here, and everything behind will have a black and white image. So let's get started with it. You just adjust it accordingly. Just click on the arrow above, tune in image, and select the center option of the brush and make it red. Then you can do is just zero it and erase the part where you want to highlight it. Make sure you erase it nicely so that it gives a nice effect. And if you by mistakenly do any mistake, you can easily redo it with using the brush. Take it to the 100 and you can easily redo it. I'm highlighting not only the glass but also the lemon which is at the side of the glass, so that it looks natural and very beautiful when the picture comes out. You can erase it. And also a tip, when you're erasing, which is something very small, make sure you zoom in the picture so that you can erase it very nicely and you don't erase the unwanted area. So that's it. Once done, click on the right tick arrow. You can see the difference. The background is black and white and the picture is very much highlighted. You can do so. Add the text. You can add a copyright content by just writing your page name, and you can give it a copyright issue so no one can take a screenshot and upload it on their account. That's it guys. I hope you guys like this video. Do comment and do share it with your friends and subscribe to Mumbai Travel.